Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is since I received this Boxycharm box, then I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and as well as try on some of the products that I received. So without further ado, if you're interested what are the things I received, then please keep on watching. For this month's theme, it says make waves, as you can see, and then my box is in 13. What is that? Variation? I think it's variation 13, this one right here. We've got the products right here, and this will be in a particular order when it comes to applying makeup, like what comes first and what comes next. So that's why this one right here, I will not be able to use this right now, so I'm just gonna show it right now. First things first. So we've got right here the First Aid Beauty. It says here Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream. So what interests me to their labels right here, it says here it helps hydrate, smooths, and recharge. So it's like using mask. I'm not really sure if this is a skincare it's a skincare, but I'm not sure if this is a face wash or mask. So and also it says safe for sensitive skin, so I'm gonna give this one a try. But FYI, I'm also hesitant because it says coconut. The main ingredients is coconut, and for those of you who doesn't know, coconut could clog your pores. So if I'm gonna try this one out one time and it doesn't clog my pores, so I'm gonna keep trying this. I'm gonna keep using it. So it retails for $34. Now let's proceed to the next product right here. So ooh, right off the bat, this is a curler, eyelash curler by the brand PURCosmetics, and right off the bat it is very wobbly. They could have tightened it a little bit more, but not to the extent where you will have difficulty moving it, just a little bit tighter. And then also the rubber is really stiff because probably it's new. Now I'm gonna be using this because I'm not wearing falsies right now, so that's how my falsies there looks like. Falsies, that's how my lashes there looks like. And that one right there, the Pro Eyelash Curler, retails for $18. So that's it. Now let's proceed to another eye product right here. This is by the brand CRÈME London, and it says right here eye cream eyeshadow. I've seen video posted by Boxycharm in Instagram, and they were saying this one right here got two shades, and I got the Cupid shade. Also, it says right here they are claiming that it is lightweight and fallout free. Now, I've swatched this many times already and clean using wet tissue, but I am still seeing glitters all over my hand, so I don't know. I'm gonna, oh, this is how the product here looks like. It looks purple, right? Now I'm gonna be swatching it for you because you haven't seen it. I've seen it many times, and you know what I have noticed? The longer you rub it onto your skin, it's more on a gold shade rather than purple, which is showing right now. This is purple right here, but once it is applied it becomes gold. It's so weird. So purple is like show off, and then once you apply it onto your skin it changed. So this one right here weighs 3 ml, and this retails for $22 for a single eyeshadow. This one right here, it's as big as liquid. I think it's as big as liquid lipstick. So what I am going to do, since this video is a try on and also unboxing, I'm gonna be using this one on my lid, but mainly focus on the inner corner and drag the rest of the pigments towards the center of my eyelid. So grabbing this one right here, this is by the brand Luxie, which I got from my previous box. So this is a flat shader, I think. Yeah, small shader brush. So I would say that this eyeshadow, single eyeshadow, it works best when it is used as a top coat instead of using it alone, because it's a bit patchy. Also, you have to use eyeshadow primer so that you'll get a good grip of the glitters, because I am seeing like 2 glitters around here. I'm not sure if it's showing the camera, but in person it's just there is. So, and also one right here. So that's the performance of the eyeshadow. And yeah, it looks gold, and I'm not seeing any purple shades at all. So that's it. Now let's proceed to the second to the last item we've got right here, and I would say this is the best product that I've got in this month's box. I like it. I like the packaging. It's by the brand PURCosmetics, and it's called Colorete Blush Trio. They've made it right this time because they've sent the right shades. So this one is too dark, I know, but I could give this one a pass because these two right here, I'm sure I'm gonna be using them. If I want it darker, then this one is perfect, and if I want it a little bit of lighter kind of peachy shade, this one is also pretty, really pretty. And also I could use this as my eyeshadow. So I really like peachy kind of vibes, makeup or palette. So this one right here is, I'm loving it so much. I don't know about the performance of it because I haven't tested it yet. Now I'm gonna use this one right here, Isla, and slap it all over my cheek because I'm going to meet my friend in downtown. It looks so pretty. And this side right here. So I'm not gonna go overboard because I'm gonna go outside, like I've said, and meet my friends, and I think that one is just right. And let me include my nose. There you go. And the last item we've got right here is this by the brand ORYZA Beauty. I'm not sure if I read it properly, but it says here Opaline Top Gloss. This retails for $14.99, and I am not wearing any lipstick right now, so I'm just gonna put this one on straight onto my lips. This one right here, the packaging looks like yellow, like gold, but once you apply it onto your lips, it shows more on a purple pink kind of shade. So these two right here, this one lipstick, lip gloss, and this eyeshadow right here, they are like the opposite. This one is showing purple. Once you apply it onto your eyes, it becomes gold. And this one right here looks yellow, but once you apply it onto your lips, it's color like pink, a bit of pink or purple side of shade. And I would say that it dries fast onto the lips, which is good, and it doesn't feel heavy, which is good. That's what they're claiming right here. It's weightless, and which is right. So I'm seeing myself reaching for this one if I want my lips to look glossy and glittery, especially like events, outdoor events probably. So festivals. So that's it, guys. Those are the things that we received in this month's box, and I'm gonna add all of this one right here, the prices, and tell you how much the entire box cost. So the entire box value is $110.99, but I only paid around 22. It's, I think, 22 point something. They've increased it already because some states, they just implemented this tax, and yeah, I have to pay tax. So 21, and the rest of the one that I've paid is tax, like $1 and something cents. So box increased, but some states that doesn't have tax implemented, then it still remains 21. So maybe you're wondering what happened to my lips. I added a different shade. This one right here, this is by the brand Anastasia, and this is in the shade Ashton. And you know what, I really like this one right here because it made the lips, if this one right here is really, if your lipstick or liquid lipstick is very dry, it's best to add this one right here because it neutralizes it. It's still dry, but I don't know. And it's cute because this one right here, the glitter doesn't overpower your lipstick, which is. So that's it, guys. I would say if I'm gonna rate this month's box, I would say it's 9 over 10. Why it's 9 over 10? Because even though I'm seeing myself rich, even though I like these products right here, And even though I'm saying that I'm gonna use this one, but I'm not, it's pretty sure that I'm not gonna be reaching this on a day-to-day basis like normal activities. Probably like filming, then yes, but like meeting my friends, or I don't know, it's just this kind of, especially this eyeshadow, this kind of eyeshadow, I'm not really, when it comes to applying eyeshadow on my eyes, I only pull one what you call this, one palette, and that's it. My palette, most of the time they already have shimmers, so that's why I'm saying that I'm not sure if I will remember having this one right here, because this will be in my closet, and I don't know, it's a lot of explanation, so that's why it's not number 10. Well, but the performance or the customer service of Boxycharm this month is excellent, because normally, like I've said, my box arrives on the 8th day, 8 to maximum of 15 days in a month, but my box arrived on the 7th day of the month, which is, I'm really happy. So thank you so much, Boxycharm, and I am a happy customer this month. So thank you guys. I hope you're happy too watching this video, and if you do, then please don't forget to click the like button, and if you like this kind of video, then there will be more, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a video. Now, see you on my next post, guys, and yeah, I love you. Bye.